Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 9 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So let's start with customization of this mode, and after that I'll show you much faster access to it. So let's begin with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll to find the display and brightness option. Now let's find eye comfort and sleep. Let's tap on it, and here we've got some options. At the top we've got the circadian night display, so your device will automatically adjust screen color temperature based on your body rhythm to help prepare a better night's sleep. If you want, you can use it or try to use it just by using the switcher. Simply tap on it. But let me focus on the eye comfort. So let's start with tapping on enable all day switcher, and as you can see the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. It will be easier and more comfortable. We can change the intensity of that feature just by using the switcher. By going to the left we can make it cooler, and by going to the right much warmer. Of course, set it just like you want to. And we can also schedule that feature just by tapping on the switcher at the top. We can set the start and the end time, and your device will of course apply the eye comfort mode automatically and accordingly to the start and the end time. So it's up to you. I think I prefer enable all day, so the manual option. And that was the whole customization of this feature. If you want to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. We have to unroll it fully so we can find the eye comfort. As you can see, this icon is right here. So let's simply tap on it to apply it immediately and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.